When we left Jeremy, he was a lonely snail with a shell that curled to the left, making him genetically unique. Well, almost unique. A global quest in the name of romance and science was launched for another Lefty Snail. But surely it would be impossible to find a mate for old Jeremy.
Well, when we put out the call to find another rare Lefty Snail, so a mate for Jeremy, we hoped it might work. But not only has it worked, but we found two snails potentially. So one in this country and one in Spain.
This quest wasn't just so Jeremy could find love. Getting these snails to mate is an important step to understand why we have asymmetric bodies.
So if the reason that these snails are rare is their anti-clockwise coiling is due to an inherited condition, in other words a gene, by doing the crosses we can begin to work out what that gene is. We managed to reach out to two really keen snail enthusiasts. So it would probably be a bit unfair to call them members of the public because they knew what they were looking for. So Jade in Ipswich, when she found one last year, she knew it was different and had been looking after it since then, didn't know quite what to do with it and didn't know about us. Similarly, the Spanish snail was identified a few days ago by a snail farmer who, because of the publicity, also recognised it as different. And he's also a snail restaurateur as well, so it was literally the case that the snail was saved from the pot while he was cleaning through the rest.
So now that love is in the air, it's time for the birds and the bees to... Oh no! Someone needs to take that off. No, take that off the screen, take it off.
Prior to mating, they will investigate each other, maybe crawl over each other, tenderly bite one another, that kind of thing. But they haven't mated yet, and you know when they've mated because they have a curious way of mating, what's called traumatic insemination, where they stab one another with these things called love darts, and these are separate to their genital organs. So they're mating, they're both stabbing each other at the same time. We believe that they're essentially injecting a hormone into each other, which improves the snail's chance of paternity. Yeah, snail sex, eh?
Well, if this slimy little guy can find love, then who knows? Maybe there's hope for us all. Richard Minkley, Notts TV News.